Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To delete blocked contacts on your Nokia Keypad phone, follow these simple steps. 1. Open the contact list and find the contact you wish to unblock. 2. Select the contact to view details. If your phone has a blocked contacts list, access it directly. 3. Look for an option to unblock or delete the contact. This might be within a menu or by pressing a specific key. 4. Confirm the action if prompted. Note that steps might vary slightly based on your Nokia model.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.